Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, we're going to talk about getting a stronger grip and integrating grip training into your already awesome training routine. If you look at the best deadlifts in the world, you never see somebody deadlifting double overhand grip because it's so difficult on the grip and your deadlift would suffer from it. That's why people go to a mixed grip, go to a hook grip preferably in order to get extra grip gains, because otherwise they will let the bar loose. The same thing goes if you're doing calisthenics, you're just starting out. The first months doing calisthenics, my hands were just so sore from always trying to grip and not being able to do enough with my hands. Now, how do we get a better grip? Well, first and foremost, grip more, right? Doing more pull-ups, doing more exercises will get your body accustomed to doing better, to do more work. So that's basically just getting to a progressive overload state. The more weight you're going to deadlift eventually, the better you're going to be at double overhand grip. That is always going to trail behind a little bit. So now begs the question, how do we get a better grip without having to dedicate an extra day for just grip training? Well, we just integrate it into our regular routine, and that is by using fat grips. I've had fat grips for already 5 years now, but only now I really started using them, and that's basically thanks to Eric Bugenhagen, who also started using his fat grips more lately. And the whole idea behind a fat grip is that it makes a barbell or a pull-up bar thicker so that it's more difficult to grip. And by making it more difficult to grip, your body has to accommodate for that. It has to get stronger, it has to adapt, and then as you lose the fat grips, you're going to be a lot better at gripping the bar. Now, how does that mechanism work? The smaller the barbell is, and that only goes to a certain point, the better and the maximum force you can output with your fingers, because your fingers are going to be a lot stronger if they're in a closed position than if they are in a semi-closed position, and less so in an open position. So maximum force is going to be there if they're contracted completely. Same goes with your bicep. Your bicep can hold a lot more weight like this than it can like this, because here it's vulnerable, it's like in a semi-open, semi-closed position, so it's going to have to work more here than here for the same amount of weight. Now the same thing goes for your fingers. See them as like little biceps, only the muscles are around here and not in your fingers. But what you really need to notice is that if I'm gripping like this, my fingers are almost closed here. Now, whereas if I'm going to take the fat grip and I'm going to grip around it, my fingers are a lot more open, and especially if the fat grip is around the bar, you see my hand is very much open. So that means that I have to put out more force in order to grip the bar and in order not to let go of the bar, so that way my arms will get stronger, my forearms will get stronger. So I have been implementing this into my pull-up routine, so trying to do weighted pull-ups with fat grip, and I must say the burn and the soreness you get in your forearms is just unreal. It's just such an amazing feeling to feel that you actually work your forearms that much more if you're using your fat grips. Now, do you have to do all your exercises with a fat grip? Obviously no. I recommend like 1 or 2 exercises every training, and preferably already grip demanding exercises like deadlifts or like pull-ups or rows. All of those exercises will benefit so much from doing them with a fat grip. And what you also can do is just like do your bench press with a fat grip, just as an added bonus to get better at grips. So yeah, that is my 2 cents as it comes to grip training. Get yourself a pair of fat grips if you want to have a stronger grip, because your grip is really going to determine how much force output you have with any exercise that you're going to do that requires a grip. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. Let me know in the comments down below what you are doing to get better grip. Are you also using fat grips, or do you have a better solution to train those forearms? So thanks so much for watching. I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace.